Ito ang gusto ko sa International Marketing Group or IMG dahil nagtuturo sila ng libreng financial education sa lahat ng mga Filipinos from all walks of life. Si Senator Raffy Tulfo, ambassador ng IMG, nag-i-encourage about sa Kaiser, isa sa mga product ng IMG. At ini-encourage tayong mga Filipino how to save the right way through the financial literacy program ng IMG. So avail na sa free orientation na ginaganap face-to-face sa lahat ng mga financial centers, locally, nationally, and abroad. Just like in other countries, we have financial centers in Hong Kong, Dubai. Today, IMG is one of the leading and fastest growing financial industry in the country. So, including din sa atin locally, we have financial centers in Butuan, Jensan, Bukidnon. At the same time, here in Cagayan de Oro City, we also have financial centers in Cebu and Quezon City, to name a few. So, avail nyo na ang free orientation with IMG. It will help you build your solid financial foundation. So, sa picture na to, nakikita natin ang ating mga sundalo at saka yung iba mga teachers, nurses, seamen, OFW, nag-member na sa IMG dahil naintindihan nila what is the importance of financial literacy. So, it will change your perspective on your way of thinking about money and savings. So, tara na! Click the link below on how to avail our free orientation. Thank you again for watching and hope to see you on my next vlog. Bye!